Bitcoin is getting ready for a massive breakout. Within the coming 48 hours, we are going to be seeing this massive breakout, and I have a strong belief that we are going to be breaking out towards the upside. We also need to have a talk about Ethereum, because Ethereum is absolutely exploding towards the upside compared to Bitcoin. So guys, can we once again smash up that like button above the 80 likes? That would be absolutely epic. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's at imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that each and every single time we are getting rejected from this very important resistance level. Now, a lot of people are actually missing this very important fact, but what I can be seeing over here is that potentially we might be creating an inverse head and shoulders right now on the 2-hourly time frame. And well, this is going to be very bullish. If we are going to be breaking above this neckline, above this resistance, well then definitely we are going to be seeing a huge breakout towards the upside. The official price target would be all the way up towards the 45.2k level, but in my opinion, whenever we are going to be creating this breakout, well, we are going to be headed towards even higher levels. But let's talk about that a little bit later in this video. First of all, it is very important to know that yes, we could very easily invalidate this inverse head and shoulders pattern by just dumping a little bit more. So one thing that I would like to see is actually a confirmed breakout above this resistance, and then I could potentially enter a new position. Not yet right now, because at this exact current moment it is too risky. We can easily at this moment liquidate a lot more long positions by creating a little bit more of a dump. And that is also going to be the exact reason why I'm going to be much rather having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle. I think looking at this symmetrical triangle, well, this one is going to be key, and this symmetrical triangle, in my opinion, is going to be deciding if we are going to be holding this uptrend or if we are going to be breaking this one. Now, one thing to do keep in mind is that I'm not trying to short this Bitcoin uptrend, because back right here, a lot of people were trying to short this Bitcoin uptrend. And what happened in the end of the day? We created this rising wedge and we just broke it out towards the upside. My followers, of course, know about this rising wedge because I've been explaining many times to you guys that I was expecting that this one was going to be breaking out towards the upside. We have been making very good money on this breakout trade right here, but right now, well, the same exact thing is happening. A lot of people are trying to short this Bitcoin uptrend, but the fact is we are still in a very bullish market structure. So I'm definitely not looking forward to be shorting this Bitcoin uptrend. I'm going to be much rather looking forward to be buying this Bitcoin breakout towards the upside. And guys, by the way, we have many signals that are all pointing towards the fact that we are indeed going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside. Yes, we can be consolidating a little bit further in this symmetrical triangle. That is perfectly fine, but I do not expect we are going to be seeing this breakdown below these lows. I do not think we are going to be coming below these lows. And in the end of the day, I do expect we are going to be seeing price increases above these previous highs. And I am going to be explaining exactly why. So guys, the first thing is, and maybe even the most important signal that we are having, is that literally billions upon billions of US dollars of Bitcoin short liquidations has been piling up on that upside. So guys, this is very important because Bitcoin usually around moves towards the liquidity, and whenever we have so much liquidity sitting above us, well, it is going to be very likely that we are going to be moving towards that liquidity, and at least we are going to be grabbing that liquidity, taking it out, but very likely we are even going to be seeing a short squeeze. That is most likely what is going to be happening most of the times. But well, just like I said, most likely we are at the very least going to be seeing these previous highs going to be taken out because of the liquidity that is sitting above us. Now, second of all, also a very important factor is that we are getting very close to our approval window of our spot Bitcoin ETF. And because of this, because we are getting so close, well, we are getting bullish news each and every single day about our spot Bitcoin ETF. And this is going to be very simple because basically this whole uptrend has been initiated initiated by our spot Bitcoin ETF, which is coming very close. So it is going to be very likely that we are going to be holding this uptrend towards our approval window, and very likely at the acceptance of our spot Bitcoin ETF, we are going to be seeing one last huge pump towards the upside, and after the approval, maybe we are going to be seeing some kind of a cool off, but at the very least, leading in towards this approval window, we are going to be seeing multiple pumps getting created. So yeah, by the way, our bullish divergences have exactly been playing out yesterday. We called these bullish divergences right here at the exact bottom, but we have even more bullish signals, because having a look in towards our on-chain data, well, it is still looking bullish. Only on the Nupal chart, we might be very close towards topping out, but in my opinion, we have a little bit more room for upside left, and I am still going to be targeting that 48k level. That has been my target for such a long while already. So yeah, we are going to be having a close look in towards these resistances and towards this support, and we are going to be trading this breakout. This breakout will be a very good trading opportunity in my opinion. I'm personally going to be trading this, and guys, if you are as well going to be interested in trading this, you can right now claim a free $40,000 deposit bonus on Bybit, and on top of that, you can also claim a free $1,000 trade on Bybit. So make sure to go ahead, what's that first link in the description, create a new account, complete KYC level 1, deposit $100, and you can claim a $1,000 trade. You can claim this trade on either Bitcoin or on Ethereum, and that is going to be very important because Ethereum is as well looking very good. Look, I've been pretty bullish actually on Ethereum for the past couple of weeks. My followers actually know this. We have been sitting at this very important support level over here, but very important for Ethereum is going to be that we are going to be breaking this downtrend structure. Whenever we can be breaking that, well, compared to Bitcoin, we are going to be exploding towards the upside. So in the recent past few weeks, well, Solana has been in the spotlight, but Ethereum has been getting kind of hated on, and that is exactly why a few days ago I've tweeted out that Ethereum will shine again. That is a fact, and well, look at what Ethereum is currently doing. Look, in my opinion, do not be surprised if we are going to be trading above $3,000 anytime soon for Ethereum. In the short term, well, we are breaking above these previous highs and potentially even retest our breakout towards the upside. So in the short term, that might be a very good opportunity. On top of that, well, we are about to close our yearly candle, of course. Just about 3 days out before closing our yearly candle. And what is very interesting to have a look in towards is that, of course, this first green candle after the red candle, well, most of the times, actually all of the times, we did not break our previous close. Right now as well, that red candle close was at about the 47k level. So yeah, we have already been taking a look in towards this exact thing a few weeks ago, but this is indicating us that it is not going to be very likely that we are going to be closing this yearly candle above the 47k. But what is actually going to be very likely is that next year, next green candle is very likely to break above that previous red candle. Okay, so next year, we are going to be very likely to break above the 50k level, break above the 60k level, and that is going to be very significant. Next year is going to be a hell of a crazy year. So guys, make sure to be prepared. Make sure to have a look into what's this symmetrical triangle, and make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.